just touched down in Pattaya. 2 weeks living like a millionaire. Walking Street, Soy 6. Money's flying everywhere. Uh-oh. 500 baht left and 1 day to go. What am I going to do? G'day, it's Stokesy here and welcome back to Stokes vs Thailand. I got a really awesome response on my 1000 baht daily Pattaya challenge, but some of you viewers said that 1000 baht was way too easy. Well, challenge accepted. In today's video, I'm going to do a challenge with only 500 baht. Before I get into the challenge, I'd like to ask you if you can please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, as I'm really going to start leading into the whole Stokes vs Thailand idea, and I'm going to start doing Pattaya based challenges, and I want you to challenge me. I've already got my first challenge. I've been challenged by a fellow YouTuber to go eat bugs and insects at a night market. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see this video upcoming in the next few weeks. Now, the challenge rules. They're going to be similar to my 1000 baht daily video challenge rules. I'll still need to get accommodation, 3 meals and a couple of beers. The only difference is this time I can do it by any means necessary. Just walking down Beach Road here. It's 9:30 in the morning and I got ice on my boom boom. Man, this place just never sleeps when it comes out, eh? But even if I wanted to, 500 baht's not going to cut it. I hit the pavement hard in my search of accommodation. I just went into that guest house and they have rooms for 200 baht, but unfortunately they're full. I'm going to have to keep looking around and see if I can find a place. I really want to get the accommodation sorted first before I start eating, because that's going to be the biggest expense. Still hitting the pavement, still trying to find the room for 200, 300 baht for the day. I really thought I'd strike it lucky when I found that place where I could get a room for 200 baht with just a fan, or it was 300 without air conditioning. But unfortunately they're full, and a few places I keep going around to, they keep saying 700, 800, and when I said 200, 300, they didn't laugh at me, but they were very much like, you're gonna be very hard pressed to do that. They did recommend an area where I could go and try and find some. To be honest, I'm getting a bit nervous now because I think I'm gonna fail the challenge before I even get started if I don't get this accommodation sorted. Plus I'm bloody hungry too, but I can't buy any food until I get my accommodation situated. So let's crack on and hopefully I can find something soon. Whew, I'm really struggling. Been going around for probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours now. I still haven't found a room. I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna have to finally dip into the budget. I'm gonna go into 7-Eleven and get a bowl of water. Otherwise I'm gonna drop dead. This challenge was actually proving harder than I thought. You know, like I said, I found that room that was 200 for a fan, 300 with air conditioning. I thought, oh great, this is gonna be easy. But then it was full, and I'm really struggling to find another place that's offering the same rates. But we keep powering on. Just taking a quick breather here with my bottle of water. It was 14 baht, so it leaves me with 486 baht. And I still need to find this bloody accommodation. I'm really struggling, and yeah, I hope I find it soon. I really do, because yeah, I'm kind of over looking for it, but this is a challenge. I'm determined to do it. I'm gonna crack on. I thought I just found my room. As that sign said, they had rooms for 300 baht and they have availability, but they wanted to charge me an extra 100 baht as well to clean the room because it hasn't been used for a while. So I don't understand that logic. Like, why am I responsible to pay for an extra cleaning bill? But it is what it is. And the search continues, and hopefully I can find it soon, because yeah, I'm really hot, tired, I'm hungry, I want to eat really badly, but until I secure this room, I don't know what budget I'm going to be working with. So can I do it? I'm now here at the Happy Hostel Pattaya. I just asked, and their single rooms are 650 baht, so that's out of the budget. But they do have a bed in a 6-bed dormitory for 280 baht. That's the option I'm going to go with because of our 500 baht daily allowance. Beggars can't be choosers, and that's the option I'm going to have to take because I've been looking for a room for about 2.5 hours now with no luck. And yeah, I've had enough. So I just want a bed where I can lay down and chill out. Luckily, Noah's in the room, so I can just show you what the room looked like. Pretty basic, just a bunk bed. Decent amenities, showers, toilets. But it also had a pool, which I thought was pretty cool. Well, I'm so glad I finally found some accommodation. That was hard work, you know, 2.5 hours working around in the heat, trying to find a place to stay. But yeah, I finally secured a place. You know, unfortunately, you know, it's not going to be a room where I have my own privacy and whatnot. But hey, like I said, beggars can't be choosers. Now that I've got the accommodation, I have 206 baht left. And just remember, I still haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm still going to get 3 meals and 2 beers.
Now it was finally time to eat, and I was absolutely starving by this point.
So I got my chicken and rice, decent portion. Also comes with a soup and a bottle of water. Chicken's pretty good. You get the soup to go. Soup's got pretty good flavour actually, but for 60 baht for the chicken, rice, soup and water, that's a really great deal. After spending 60 baht on my late breakfast, early lunch you could call it, I now have 146 baht left. And to recap, I'm still going to have lunch, later lunch, a couple of beers down by the beach and dinner. This challenge has really tested me and I'm really going to have to get creative. Make sure you keep following me to see if I can actually do it. I've been walking around again for a few hours and now I'm hungry, so time for my late-ish lunch, I guess you could say it. And I've actually found a restaurant here next to, if you've watched my 1000 baht challenge video, it's actually next to Sailor Bar. They've got plenty of 50 baht dishes here and I've got a bottle of water for 10 baht, so this entire meal is going to be 60 baht. So I ordered the pork omelette and rice, and as you can see, that's a really good portion. So that's going to fill me up quite a bit, I think. Let's tuck in. Not bad at all. And 50 baht for the meal, 10 baht for the water, 60 baht. Can't go wrong. I'm now inside Tops and I'm just looking at the beers, and the cheapest beer is Leo for 39 baht. So that's going to pose quite a dilemma. Do I get the beer or do I sacrifice some dinner? And I know because you guys are going to want to have a beer, I'm going to get a beer. I'm going to have to try and see what I can do for dinner. I'm just going to have to get really creative and figure out dinner the best I can. But let's go. I'm going to grab the beer and then we're going to go across the street and I'm just going to sit down and chill out on the beach for a bit and have the beer. I got the beer for you guys, so cheers. There you go. Oh man, seriously you guys, I'll never understand what the attraction of this beer. I think it's horrible, but you know, in the purpose of entertaining you guys, I'll do what I have to do. It's time to sit here and enjoy my Leo, the afternoon sun, chill out as it descended into evening. It's now dinner time, and because I chose to have that beer down on the beach, I'm now left with 47 baht. That means I'm going to have to rely on a streetcar vendor, but desperate times call for desperate measures. That's what I'm going to have to do to be able to get under budget. So I just asked the lady what this is. She said it's chicken ass. So yeah, I'm not I'm not eating that. Okay, so we got the breast, that's 20. What else? No, I've only got 40 baht to spend, that's it. Yeah, so I might get the chicken breast and the rice, please. Oh no, this one. Cup.
Sticky rice one.
Cup.
Okay.
So I got the chicken and rice. 20 baht for the chicken, 10 baht for the sticky rice, 10 baht for the water. That comes to 40 baht. That leaves me with 7 baht. 7 baht is what I got left for the day. It was like a sweet chili sauce that I got with it, so I'll get the chicken and try. Decent enough. It's not really hot. Hey, for 20 baht, it'll do the job. Okay guys, that's the 500 baht challenge, done and dusted. I just want to say a big thank you to the people who commented on the 1000 baht challenge. That 1000 baht was too easy, so it inspired me to try the 500 baht challenge today. And I must say, it definitely was a challenge, especially the accommodation. I kid you not, when I was walking around for like 2.5 hours, I actually thought I wasn't going to be able to get accommodation that would be able to fit in this budget. If you haven't watched my 1000 baht challenge video, please click up on the link up here, watch it and see how it stacks up against this 500 baht challenge. See what you think. Please also make sure you do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I want you guys as the viewers to challenge me to whatever. But you're gonna have to subscribe and follow the channel to be able to challenge me. Be on the lookout in the next week or so. I'm going to be doing the bug scorpion eating challenge. And that's definitely going to be a video that you aren't going to want to miss. It's going to be pretty crazy. I'm going to try and find, the most disgusting things to try and eat. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good night.